Dear 11th class students, today's topic is Prepositions Part 2. As I have already talked about Prepositions Part 1, in which I talked about the meaning of preposition, its categories, and different types. We have like preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of moment or direction. I will be talking about these one by one. In this video, I will talk about preposition of time like we have on, at, since, for, until, till, during. Suppose here on is used in terms of time, but later we will discuss about its use in terms of place. So coming to the first slide, we have on, preposition on. So where do we use this preposition? We use it for days and dates. Fine. We use it for days and dates. Now try to understand this with the help of these examples. I will submit my project on Monday. So day is mentioned here. By day we mean Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Example second. He will go Pune on 23rd October. Date is mentioned here. Is perfectly fine. Now we have, should I come on evening? It seems to be correct while saying, but it's not correct. It's incorrect because I already told you on will be used for days and dates only. Neither date is mentioned here nor any day. Then if we say your interview is on Saturday evening, then it's perfectly fine because day is mentioned here. Look here, we have on can be used on the weekend, on for days, on Monday for dates, on April 3rd for specific days, on my birthday, for day plus part of the day, on Sunday morning. Like we had here, example number 4, your interview is on Saturday evening. So day plus part of the day on Sunday morning, and it can be used for holidays with the day. For example, Christmas Day. Then coming to the second one, at. At is used for certain point of time or can be used for parts of the day like morning, evening, noon, night. Certain point of time means exact point of time is given. It's not said that Monday, Tuesday, because Monday will be having 24 hours. So it means if we say Monday, that means we do not know exactly about the exact point of time. But if I say I will come at 6, means I'm giving exact point of time. So whenever we talk about exact point of time, we use at. For example, he will come at 6 o'clock. And similarly, we use at for parts of the day. Morning, evening, noon, night. I woke up at early morning. Like we use at for hours, at 8 a.m., at 8 p.m. For parts of the day, at midnight, at noon. For time, the moment. Holidays without day. Here we can use at without day. Like we can say at Holi, at Christmas. Now, coming to the prepositions since and for, they are used for perfect tense only. Because for example, coming to the example, she has been studying for 3 hours. For example, I am saying I have been studying for 3 hours. Means I'm talking about past and I'm still continuing this activity. So in such cases, we make use of such prepositions for certain period of time and over a certain period of time. But there is a little difference between the two. Let's learn this difference with the help of examples. She has been studying for 3 hours. So we do not know exact time, like when she started or what is the time right now. We have to calculate time, whether she has started studying at 2 p.m., 1 p.m. or 12 p.m. Means if it is 6 p.m., then we will calculate according like that, like 3 p.m. we will say 3 p.m., 4 p.m. she has started studying. So we use for. She has been studying since 3 o'clock. It means exact time is given. So if exact time is given, we use since. But if exact time is not given, we use for. Like we have one more example. I have been waiting for him for 2 days. Means exact detail or date is not given. He has been working here since 2014. So exact date is mentioned when he has joined. It's not said like in years, 2 years, he is working here for 2 years, but rather exact time is given, exact time of period is given, 2014. So when exact time is given, exact period is given, we use since. But when we do not have exact time or period, we use for. Now coming to the preposition till and until, it means to show how long a situation continue. For example, I studied till 5 a.m. I studied until 5 a.m. Now look at the difference. If we say I studied until 5 a.m., it means I continued to study and waited till the needle of the clock reached the digit 5. Almost meaning is same. But like for example we have uh, okay fine, I will say it in Kashmiri. If I say I studied till 5 a.m. मैंने मैं पोर 5 बजन ताई. I studied until 5 a.m. मैं पोर तुतान यतान 5 बजाए. So this is the difference between the two. यानी until हम कब यूज़ करते हैं मैं पोर तुतान युतान यूता टाइम बजाओ तुतान रूदस परा. And if we say I studied till 5 go मैं पोर 5 बजन ताई मैं पोर 3 बजन ताई. मगर when we use until it means मैं पोर तुतान यतान 5 बजे. Now we have another example. I will stay at home from Monday till or to Wednesday. I will stay at home from Monday till Wednesday or to. We can use till or to here, but we cannot use until here because um, we cannot say "Bubiham, I will stay at home Bubiham Chandarwar pet Yutaina Boari Yutaina Bodwari. We cannot say like this. Bubiham Gairi Chandarwar pet Yutaina Bodwari. This is totally incorrect. This means that you cannot use until because both exact dates are mentioned here. So you will say till or to. Now the example is until my father came home, I read a book. Yutan meon father gara tutain par me book. So do not get confused with these. These are almost same, but there is a little difference between the two. In example 3, if Monday was not mentioned here, like if it was written like I will stay at home, then we can write I will stay at home until Wednesday, then it was perfect. But if you are saying any fixed period of time or point from Monday to Wednesday, then using until is totally incorrect. So use either till or to. Now coming to the next one, during. So during is used for duration of time. Taht doran, like we say in Kashmiri, taht doran, like we are doing something and then somebody comes and says something, we say bosus itkan karan taht doran a sunafar. If we want to show some duration, we use during. For example, so this is used for a period of time or duration. Example, during the summer vacation I completed computer course. So duration is shown here. I met her during presentation. Here also duration is shown while presentation. I met her presentation doran samkhyas but temis. Now we have by. It means for exact point of time, and the time shown is latest or nearest. Nazdik time jo atit hayit. Suppose if we are going somewhere at 6 p.m. We say I will come back by 7 8 کیازِ شٮ۪ن نزدیٖک چھُ 7 یا 8 یعنی یہِ چھُ اَتھ نِیر ٹایم أسۍ کَرو اَتھ اِسلیے یوٗز اَتٮ۪ن by. I will be back by 7 p.m. 8 p.m. So nearest time is shown here. So the examples here are she will be there by 11 o'clock. We do not need to use am pm here. I will submit you the presentation by 6 o'clock since the time is very near. It is very nazdeek time. मतलब सुबह छस बह कथ करन बस एम 10 बजे ताइन तमिक मतलब गो यह very nearest time मे छुन अतित am pm mention करनुक जरूरत किया. But if a question is same question is given and if two options are there where you are supposed to use either by or at, then prefer to use at where am pm is shown but not necessarily showing any, because it is not necessarily showing any nearer time. I hope there is no confusion left now, and do not forget to watch other videos. I will be talking about preposition of place and preposition of moment or position in those videos. Thank you so much.